The cave should be right over there. According to the map, you're right. Let's go. Wow! Oh my gosh! There it is! Lily, wait, what is it? Look, Alex, over here! I found something incredible! Hurry up! Wow, what is it? I can't believe it! Look, it's moving! Wow, that's amazing, Alex! I see it with the binoculars. It's forming a new shape. Look, it's coming out! Oh, wow! It's so tiny! Go, go, little turtle! He's heading to the water! Oh! Oh, wait! That's the wrong way! Wow! Look! All those bright lights! They must be what's causing the distraction! No, little one! This way! The ocean is over here! All right! We have to help the turtle turn around! Let's do it! Let's do it! Look, there it is! I see it! We need to help it get to the water. Let's go! You've got this, little friend. Go towards the waves. Look, there it is! Oh, follow the light, little friend. Keep going, little friend. The water is just ahead. Oh, I see it. You're almost there. Go, go, go. Look, it's swimming. Bye-bye, turtle.
Oh, look at that. A huge footprint. And that turtle can't get past it.
I have to hide it. Quick, before anyone sees. Ah, you can do it. Go, little guy. Cheering. Yay, you made it! See? Like this. That's how they know to go back to the ocean. Wow, that's amazing, Alex. Let's find some more clues over here. You are so small. I'm here to help you get back home. Stay strong. Wow, look at that! A baby turtle! Oh no! Hold on, little guy, I'll help you. Don't worry, I got you. Don't worry, little guy. Don't worry. Just a little help. There you go. Found it. You did it, Alex. We're here. I found the perfect spot. Follow me. Wow, great job, Alex. Let's go, Lily. Okay, Alex. Oh, look at this. It's a plastic bottle blocking the path. I need to move it. I thought this was gonna be beautiful. But look, it's so full of trash. I found it. Now into the bag. Perfect. Let's find more. Great job, Alex. Here, we've got to take care of our beach. You can do it. Faster. Don't stop. Almost there. Keep going. Yeah, you did it. Way to go. Keep going, little guy. You can do it. Wow. What was that? Look out! Shoo! Shoo! Go away! Go away! Look, a turtle! I have to protect it! Oh no, don't worry. I'll keep you safe. Go away! Shoo! Shoo! Get out of here! Yeah, beat it! Oh, hey there, little guy. Are you lost? You seem scared. You can do it, little one. Just a little further. Beep, 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 beep. Wow, look at that. I see it. Let's go. Wow, the map brought us here. This is amazing. Let's go explore. Wow, look Look at those huge waves crashing. It's so beautiful. Wow, look at that. Hello there, little guy. Go on, little guy. That way is safer. Good job, you're doing great. The path is clear. The path is clear. Let's go. Look, it's touching the water. Go, little guy, go. You can do it. Yay! Wow, look at that. Go, go, go. Oh no. Be careful, little guy. Don't worry, Lily. Look. It's gonna make it.
You're right, Alex.
Let's believe in it. Go, little buddy, go. You're almost there. Yay, you made it. You can do it. Go, little turtle, go. Wow, look, a turtle. Oh no, the wave is so far out now. Oh. Oh. There you are. Look. A turtle. Hello, little friend. Look at it go. So skillful. This is amazing. Look, there it is, just like the map said. Wow, it's really floating away. We found it. Yes. I see it over there. The map says it's just past that wave. Let's go. Okay, let's find it. We have to make sure the turtle is safe. Don't worry, Alex. We'll keep it safe. Look at how clean it is. This is amazing. Let's explore. I found the last piece. Good job, me. Look, there it is. I told you I could find it. We did it. Yes. We found it. Let's go this way. Oh, looks perfect. I think we're close. Me too. I can feel it.